Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, world's first minimally invasive heart bypass could make open heart surgery a thing of the past. Mednews, the world's first minimally invasive heart bypass procedure has been performed on a 67-year-old man with a history of heart problems. The new procedure, called ventriculo-coronary transcatheter outward navigation and re-entry, vector, involves running a catheter up through blood vessels in the legs to the heart, rather than cutting open the chest wall. Surgeons pass a wire through the aorta and into the clogged artery, then implant a coronary bypass graft to restore blood flow to the heart. This procedure was performed after the patient's condition made traditional open heart surgery too risky. The researchers successfully tested the procedure on animals before performing it on the human patient, who showed no signs of heart trouble 6 months later. More testing in human patients is still needed before vector can be used more widely. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.